Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Nissan Rogue Sport SL. Obviously, the smaller version of the Rogue. The Rogue Sport slots just above the Nissan Kicks for their small SUVs. This one's all-wheel drive, powered by a naturally aspirated 2-liter 4-cylinder that puts 141 horsepower, 147 pound-feet of torque, rated to the Xtronic CVT. Total price on this one, $34,375. Scarlet Ember Tri-Coat, I'm assuming, over light gray interior. Not bad at all. And a perfect little SUV for somebody starting out a family, or want something like an SUV, but not nearly as big as some of the other Explorer SUVs out there. Although the Rogue underwent a big redesign for 2021, Rogue Sport stays from last year, although I'm assuming that this is going to be refreshed soon. But as it sits, it's perfect. The SL trim level, it's not the top of the line, but it has a very good focus on luxury. You're going to get nice leather seats. It's just going to be all nice luxury touches. Whereas the SV, that's middle of the road, you know, just value. That's what I tend to think of the V being. An R, racy. I don't think you can get an SR on these. If you can, that would be pretty cool. Where are we going? That way? Okay. Now, getting into this, I thought 141 horsepower is not going to be nearly enough. Yeah, it's not a fast car. It's not designed to be. But it will get out of its own way. Actually moves itself pretty well. That comes down to the size of it, where it doesn't have a lot of weight to move. So it's actually pretty good. Plus, in this application, the CVT is welcome, because it will get the most out of this powertrain. Now the traffic's starting up. What is it, 1 o'clock? Yeah. 2:30, this will be bumper to bumper. But by 5 o'clock, it's dead, which is nice. Let's try out the bumpy road section. Not bad at all. The more and more I drive this, the more I actually really like it. It's perfect for what it is. Is this the Rogue? Yeah, normal Rogue. Try off camber. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.